Out of a kind and concerned heart, both Jesus and Jeremiah delivered messages to their people just to make them well and to lead them to a blessed life. Isa po sa mga habilin ng Panginoon kay Jeremias ay huwag makalimot o huwag magbawas ng mga sasabihin, bagkus maging tapat at totoo sa bayan na kanyang pupuntahan. And we've heard one very good reason. Jesus came to his native place and taught the people in their synagogue. But we've heard how they were treated badly. They were rejected, they were not listened to, they were laughed at, and they were even questioned about their capacities. Kung ilalagay po natin ang ating konteksto o sa ating lengguwahe po ngayon, tila parang sinasabi ni na Jesus at Jeremias, ginagawa lang namin ang dapat. Sinasabi lang naman namin ang totoo. Tumutulong lang naman kami para magbago ang buhay ng mga tao, pero tatawanan nyo lang kami, tatanggihan nyo kami, at tatalikuran ninyo kami. My dear brothers and sisters, we like to hear from people when we are in need, or sometimes when we are in our own crisis. We listen to our best friends. We listen to good priests. You listen maybe to counselors, to experts, to people that you confide with. At sino ba naman pong tao o pari o kung sino man ang sasama o ang sasakay sa kalokohan ng tao, pero what they would always share will be words that can give light to us. Words that may be hurtful, but words that will definitely of help to us. Masakit man, pero nakakatulong sa atin. But more than listening, it is also important the one who is receiving. If the people of Jeremiah and Jesus rejected them, it is good as well to place our foot on them. On our part, who are listening or who may be listening to people who would encourage us. More than having that instinct of rejecting them, may we not fall into big regrets. Nasabihin natin, sayang, dapat pala nakinig ako. Sayang, dapat pala sinunod ko ang magulang ko noon. Sayang, dapat pala ginawa ko yung ipinasasabi sa akin na iyon. Sayang. Sayang pala, nakinig dapat ako. We hear from people, we would need God to listen or maybe to intervene into our life. We would need someone to enlighten us. And thanks be to God that they will be around us to assist us, to comfort us, to encourage us, at para hindi po tayo paglaruan. When someone inspires you, encourage you, and lift you up, it is for your good. It is for your growth. Huwag nating hayaan na mapunta tayo sa panahon na pagsisisihan natin, bakit ba tayo hindi nakinig? Bakit ba tayo hindi sumunod? There will be the faces of Jeremiah and Jesus who would come and visit you. Do not reject them, but welcome them, listen to them, and know that God brought them to you and to us so that we can learn, we can grow, and we can be strong.